Behind me here, we have another one of our feature wall series. It is the Modern Brick series. It is cast from mid-century modern bricks. So it's got a very nice clean look to it, whereas our classic brick has more of those imperfections in it and a little bit more detail to it. They are cast into a high density polyurethane board. So it's very lightweight, it doesn't damage, and it won't fade over time. So they're very durable pieces. So this series is available in 6 different colors. They range from white, we have a few different shades of gray, as well as some browny red colors too. Now, a nice thing about this series is with our gray tones especially, you've got a couple different options for the mortar that's in between the bricks here. So the one behind me, you can see it's got a darker gray brick with a light gray mortar. However, we do have an option that has a light gray brick with a black mortar. So that can really change the overall look of the space. So that's definitely something to consider when looking at the products. This product can go in a variety of different styled homes, anywhere from a farmhouse with the white brick to more of a mid-century or industrial look with our gray tones or even our red tones. So the style ideas really are endless with this type of product. If you're interested in this type of product, feel free to take a look at our website, shop.designqedmonton.com, to see all of the colors available.